Let's have fun today and create a mini calendar in Affinity Publisher. Hey everyone, this is Chat and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here or you want to see more content like this, then consider subscribing to my channel as well. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. I have all these three colors here. So these are the colors that I wanted to use. So now I'm going to go ahead and use this rectangle tool. Just going to draw like this. I have the black one. You can change it whatever you like. And now all I have to do is hold the Option key and drag this down here because I want to duplicate it. And this is the best way that you can duplicate or copy and paste an object or an element. And just make sure that they're both aligned. Now I'm going to change this color to this color. Make sure also here that there's no stroke, and this one should be this color. I'll change it to this color. All right, now I want it to have a gradient, something like this. Okay, there you go. And make it a little bit smaller. So now I'm gonna go ahead and duplicate this again, make it a little bit bigger and change the color to a lighter one. Make sure that they're all aligned. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use the pen tool. Don't worry and don't be scared of the pen tool. It's not as hard as you think it is. So just hold the Shift key, click here. Right, like so. Make sure they're aligned and then close it off. Now that you have that, we want that to have this color. And now use the pen tool again. Go ahead and click there, then click over here, then close it, and we'll make it this color. Go ahead and do the gradient tool, this one. There, you can curve it like that. Okay, let's see. There you go. That looks okay. Now go ahead and use this artistic text tool. You can also use the frame text tool. And we're gonna do November calendar. So it looks something like this, but I want it solid. So I want this to have color. I'll change it to white, or you can also change it here, there. Okay, and you can always change the font, the color, and the font size. Now I'm just going to duplicate this one and say November. I want this regular and a little bit smaller. Now copy this, put it over here twice. Right, maybe a little smaller. Okay, then change this to 20. The other one, 23. Now this, I want no color, but the stroke should be white. And there you have it. So now let's do the calendar. We will be using the table tool. So just drag it like this. Okay, now go here and add some columns. We need 7 for the days. And there you go. So you have that. Now I don't want any lines or black lines on this table. You can click here or drag to highlight. And here, see, this is the stroke, but make sure that this one, you choose all and then click this. So there will be no stroke. There, you don't see it. However, I want strokes in between this, a white stroke. So I'm just gonna highlight this part and go ahead and click vertical all. So these ones are highlighted, the lines over here, and choose the color, should be white. There you go. Now that's your color. So all you have to do is type in your days. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And as you can see, it's not so good, doesn't look so good because you have everything at the top and not centered. So go ahead and click on this one. Now make sure that it's centered, aligned, and then center vertically. This and this, you need to do that. There. Now it's all centered, and I want this bold, and I want it a little bit smaller, and I want it white. There you go. Now you have that. So once you have that, all you have to do is drag this again and make sure that they're aligned. Okay, now double click, and here just add a few rows. So maybe 5 will do. So now that you have that, just highlight this 2, 3, 4, and 5 row and go to paragraph. Now for the type, choose this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then delete that in the text. And then we need to start at 5 here because November 2023 starts on Wednesday. The first day starts on Wednesday. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this one's 5. So we should start here 5. There. Delete and then enter. So we have that, and we can delete that. Start at 1, 2, 3, 4, and delete this. There you have it. And then just stretch it out like so. But I don't want any of the lines, the white lines here. So I'm just going to highlight that again. Now for the stroke, again select vertical all. So it's still selected. And since this one has color, just click this one. And you will have no more stroke right there. And here's your calendar now that you're done. So if you want to do December or whatever months, just copy and paste this whole thing. You can always, do it like this. Just select them and then group it. And then do your own thing again. And that's about it. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought of this video. Your feedback is always appreciated. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.